CE is also known as Commercial Electronics, is a subsidiary of HME, and our main reason for being in business is to service wireless headsets and some wired ones that work in drive-through restaurants. We're the biggest provider of these kind of services. We also sell installations of those same things, which includes intercoms, timers, detection loops when the cars pass by so they know somebody's at the window. So we service all those things, and for all the major manufacturers. There's about 7 or 8 major manufacturers, and we cover all of them.
CE has grown remarkably in the last 5 or 6 years. We're at about 3 times the volume that we were in 2013. Thanks to our focus on employees, customers, quality, and turnaround time. At this point in time, we're one of the, if not the biggest independent provider of repairs for this industry. CE is relatively famous for our turnaround time, so everything that comes in here is guaranteed to be repaired and shipped back out within 24 hours. Whether we're repairing HME brand or the other brands of products, we track every item that goes out to ensure that it does not come back under warranty. Our quality is unequaled by anyone in this industry.
CE is the finest headset repair company in the land. We have awesome employees here right now. We are really working on having all of them be engaged and involved in all the processes here. Come work with CE. We are friendly on the phone. We are customer friendly with everything, all the processes that we do here. Our #1 focus is the customer.